Jamaica sunshine, the place is so kind. We all know the story. Once upon a time, Jamaica sunshine, the place is so kind.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I'm your host Ramon, and today we have an amazing artist. He goes by the name of Opselre. We're gonna take a break and get back, and you'll get to know more about Opselre.
There's no other girl in this world I can love like Mama.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. Opselre, Wagon.
There in a family, there.
All right. So tell the people them, Opselre. That's a unique name, but what's your government name? What's the name you were born with?
Oh, all right. Natural. My mother gave me name Rowan Tolo.
Rowan Tolo.
Yeah, Rowan Kirk Tolo.
Okay. That's a nice name.
Me know. But as an artist, you see when I do music, you can't. Me still, my art couldn't do music with my mother name.
Yeah.
Me was told by my father, say, for you to do music, you have to make a name for yourself. Or somebody have to give a name. And I take that and say I do the music. And in my growing up, me did have alias, but you know what about alias? Me say, yo, alias was parring, because everything we do, you know, it constructive.
Yeah.
You understand? So, we can't mix up the parring with the music same way.
Yes.
So, we still have to make an artist name, so I come out with an artist name.
Opselre.
Yes, and do the music, Opselre.
All right. So, Opselre, where were you born and where did you grow up?
Well, I born in a place called Banton's. St. Catherine, yeah.
Okay.
Banton's, St. Catherine. Yeah, that's my birthplace. I grew up in Banton's. I live in Banton's several years. You see me? So my place. I just so I grew up, I sing, perform. You understand?
So
we build a culture around the music to when people relate.
okay. So which schools did you attend, when you grew up and stuff?
In beginning, I basic school in a million. And we call it Udall Basic School. Udall Basic School. Yeah, from Udall Basic School to Barton's Primary. Yeah, and from Barton's Primary to the Tertius Golden Comprehensive High.
Okay.
Yeah, because we still in a surrounding. Me never school in another area or other parish from which I grew up. So me become like a giant in a St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Through music and schooling.
All right. So what event, show you say, yo, I have this talent for do music and that me I go do?
Well, from me a youth, I do the music, No, from me I grew up, cause me did have mother and father, like everybody. Me have mother and father.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they have to go out at daytime and kids have to stay home. So while home, we have caretakers.
Yeah.
And when we go around caretakers, and me is that youth where me always nice, especially to female, me and them friend, me and them comfort. You understand? So when them help me as a little youth, me always have to go to them and say, yo, me need something and me need that and me need that and me get. So till a day come when the person, more than one person, the people them, the family them, which I would rather say, all right, Kevin, God, that is a birth name also. Kevin, nothing was made for you in the earth. Nobody never planned for you in the earth, never made for you. So you can't just ask things and you get it just like that. Sometimes you have to wait until it comes. And at that moment, it brings something to my head. And I say, yeah, someday in a world, I tell you as a youth, I tell you about from a 3-year-old, Yeah, so I say, day in a world and nothing never make for me. And me, there. And she say, yes, every time people have to help you and bring you, make you grow, become a man. I say, so I say, all right then, nothing wrong. So That the day pass and then I go to bam and link come back and tell us, yo, me find out a way how me can make things for help myself because me then I roll and me not live so. I say, she say, what is that now, Kevin? And I say, yo, we can make song. I say, yeah, you can sing. And she say, yeah, let me hear a song. I can't remember the song, but I remember I sing a song to her. And from that, become a star. As a little youth.
Yeah.
I grew up, you see me, I tell you, me only, not even basic school, never come united. I mean, yeah, man, I do my little thing, my little chat them and my little thing them, man.
From a long time.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So you can remember like any of your first performance, not that, but like on a stage show or anything, and how the people them they receive you.
My first performance when me take the music serious, cause I go through school, same way I name do performance on bandwagon or any of those platform. Me go back to my school and I graduate from my high school. Yeah, and I get on a performance there. What did I call it? Like there. Yeah. Get on a list, performance list on a stage show. Yeah. So when my name call up, I have to represent.
Yeah.
So yes, that's how it begin. At Teachers Golden. I go back to school and
Teachers Golden.
Yeah.
And all the people them they receive you at that moment.
Them the auditorium was full. And yeah, man, me get good reception. And many people never know say me an artist. And that me hold up my head and I sing. But me have little knowledge of this singing still. Me never know say the business part was so hectic.
Yeah.
And I just talent, you know?
Yeah. They have a business aspect of the music too. Alright, so do you have any recorded songs or music videos out there?
Yeah, man, I have several recorded songs, man. Me not really have a real professional music video, but I have several recording songs because I've been releasing songs from 2017. Yeah, because I even have a record label assigned to my name, which is Eyeball Entertainment Records.
Eyeball Entertainment Records.
So sometimes when you hear me say Eyeball, that's how I really give back my people them something or my production, you know?
Okay.
You say, and say, me say eyeball and keep reminded that me have a label, so I can't just do pitch up on everything.
So you have a label, but do you have separate and apart than your
Yeah,
own
man,
label?
I have a producer me work with, man. Me have the Audio Tracks record, me have Crush Them Records who me work with. You see me? I have Zion Yard Records who me work with. And me do all some music for y'all, Can't Tame record. You see me? And
a lot of works.
Yeah, me do enough work, man. And right now, me a link with a new producer named Skybad. And them man, they a lot the street right now, you see me? Skybad Records, so enough things are going.
So while in the music industry, you know, you say you come to learn about the business aspect and everything. Is there anything you that say you have really learned where, you know, let's say me and your partner, but me younger to you in a music thing. If you were to like pass on a little jewel of information or a little knowledge, what would you tell a person there?
Well, my thing, I'm going to tell a young artist, say, yo, brethren, you can't just, yourself, you have to listen to our next artist who've been there already, say, and try and give him a part and learn to make your art grow. Watch out.
It's a mentorship.
Yeah, the lyrical part are your responsibility with your talent, but if you grow the music, for you and others, you see me? So you have to always take talk, man, and hold faith.
So not just independence, I'm more interdependence, and you have to work with other people.
Intellect.
All right. So how far do you want to carry your music career?
Well, you don't know, me a Rasta man, I'm like music, I'm like drum. See me? I'm like ladies, I like peace. You understand? I'm like right. Yeah, so I look to the world because even though within the Caribbean, I look towards the world. You understand? Me I look on America, me I look on Europe,
Mm.
me I look on England, see me I look on Africa. You understand? And you can't name it because I know many countries attached to my music
Yes.
already because I get streaming and something, you understand?
Yes.
From Italy to Thailand, Japan, Brazil, Canada, you understand? And so, I get streaming. I'm here today, the virgin say, who is Opselre? Is Opselre a Jamaican? But me is a Jamaican, but me always online and I do business with every being.
International.
You see me?
Yeah.
I mean, I really question it. I just do the music.
All right. So, thank you for coming on the Portmore Talent Show, Opselre. It was wonderful to meet you.
Yeah, man. Anytime, man. Big up myself, now little pepper. Yo, big up my friend them. Don't know. Banton is where I grew up. Big up Makachi. Big up my family. Yeah. Big up life. Big up the girl them. You see me? Big up the girl them. Really. I go on. Try it now. Too. Yeah. If you want to find me, you can find me right now on YouTube at Opselre, Oakland Opselre Music. You see me? Eyeball Entertainment. Yeah, you can go there and subscribe, like something same way. Yeah, on Instagram, you have me have many pages. You can find me on Opselre Oakland Instagram page. You can find me at Opselre Eyeball on Instagram too. You can find me at Opselre Reggae Sing on Instagram. You can find me at Opselre Better Will Come, Opselre Grassroot on Instagram, because I may have things I post this year. I may have a next Instagram post name, The Real Connie Boy, same way. You understand? And Twitter, you can find me on Twitter at Opselre Music, same way. I have no Twitter page, I don't remember all of them, but you can search and find me on Facebook. My real name, because I have my fan page still, my old fan page, which is Tough Clever. You see me? Spelled TUFECLHVA. That's how I construct that art. So, I'm there. Right now, you can also link me on Snapchat at Eyeball Opselre. You see me? You can link me on TikTok at Eyeball Opselre, also Opselre Eyeball on TikTok. You can do it anywhere. You see me? Follow me. Let me brother, me there. Sweep up me gateway. Tell them about the claim, me no play. Music cut the yard for your day pay. Long time dread, I tried it the safe way. Jamaica sunshine, the place is so kind. We all know the story. Once upon a time, Jamaica sunshine, the place is so kind. We all know the story. Once upon a time, never mind. We love, we know the inner the world a grudge. Jamaica stand above all the violence and the thugs. Is an adventure. Every time you enter, something to remember. Jamaica never surrender. Jamaica sunshine, the place is so kind. We all know the story. Once upon a time, Jamaica sunshine, the place is so kind. We all know the story. Once upon a time, never mind. So much love and honor, she make me live in. You know what I mean? She a me queen. You hear me now? There's no other girl in this world I can love like Mama. Ooh, ooh, Mama, that's true. No other girl in this world I can love like Mama. Ooh, ooh, Mama, that's true. Mama come first, she do the work, me have to fat up her purse. Me nah make she hurt, nah splurt. Love mama to the dirt. If I never mama, me only the on the earth, so me give it to her, cause me owe it to her. Me love me mother, so me have to show it to her. Every time me see her, me hug and kiss her. If I never mama, then me couldn't be a star. There's no other girl in this world I can love like mama. Ooh, ooh, mama, that's true. No other girl in this world I can love like mama. Ooh, ooh, mama, that's true. Boy or girl, this mama make me hear. I'll be there, me no care somebody face I get tear. Cause them no know what she bear. Through poverty and no blood, sweat and tears.